Hello and welcome. In this video, I want to talk about page builders and how you can easily work on your WordPress without, any hassle or much easier. So depending on the theme of the website that you have selected, we're going to select a theme after this video. Now, I want to talk about page builders. So I'm going to go to appearance and editor. So ideally, every theme comes with a different way of how you can actually edit the website, but in this case we need to use page builders. So if you look at the page that you're looking at right now on the screen, which is our website, and right out of the box WordPress comes in with tools that you need to build your website. A very good example that you can see here, that this is a container, and then within that container there is a text element, another text element, and a button, and then there is an image, and then there is another container that has got different elements. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I can click the plus sign, and then I can, if I need to add a heading, I can just drag and drop it here. Okay, and then here I can type my heading. I would say this is my heading. Okay, this is my heading. Now I have edit that. So again, just play around with this. If you want, there is a lot of elements that you can put: banners, call to action, and anything in between. Just with this alone, you can come up with a great website that works great. Okay, so I'm gonna head over to dashboard. Okay, and I want to talk about the page builders, so that you understand how you can also work according to your preference or the options that are there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to plugins. And once I go to plugins, I am going to select add a new plugin, and the plugin that I need to add is a plugin that will help me to build the website. Okay, I'm going to type in page builder. Let me type page builder. Page builder. There is quite a lot of page builders that you can use. Okay, so in my case, I've used Elementor. I've used this, and it's a great one of the cool website builders available. And I've used Beaver. I've used again page builder by Site Origin. This is a cool one as well. And I've used quite a lot. Okay, I can't see some of them that I've used here. And the one that I'm using nowadays is called Breezy page builder. This is what I'm actually using. So again, it's up to you to choose which one you want to choose. You can choose Breezy, you can choose Elementor, and you can choose page builder by Site Origin. Okay, so in this video I'm going to select Breezy. Okay, I'm just going to choose Breezy. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on install. Once I click on install, I want you to understand that it's free. There's a free version of Breezy, and then there is a premium version of Breezy. Just like how you have been using the themes, you might get a free theme or you might get a paid theme. Okay, a premium theme. I'm just going to click on activate. Once I click on activate, there is a welcome message that comes in the Breezy Academy that you can use. Okay, and again, they've got website templates, they've got design library, and one-click install, and yeah, and the instructions. You can just go through this. And one thing that you need to notice is that they've added now a Breezy menu on the menu here, okay, of your dashboard. So you can actually see if you need to get some of the options and things like that. However, what we're going to do is we're going to go to pages. Okay, we're going to go to pages. Okay, I understand probably maybe watching this video on pages and how did I create those pages. What you need to understand is that there's a video that is coming after this where you learn how to create pages. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to any page and then I'm going to click on edit. Okay, once I click on edit, what you see here is about us. So instead of me choosing patterns and anything in between, what I need to do is I'm going to click on edit with Breezy. Okay, so what I'm doing is that I'm editing this page with Breezy, and it's kind of cool how you can use Breezy. Let me just show you. It's actually loading. So now I have this page that I have here, and the canvas is now blank. What I just do is to click plus, and as you can see, some of these options, they are going to ask me to upgrade. Okay, as long as you don't see a pro sign, that means you don't have to upgrade anything. So let's say I need to add this on there. As you can see, I've just added it and it's like that. And then I'm gonna come again here again, and what I'm going to do is I am going to add another section. What I need to do is to add probably some features. This is what I need to add. Okay, and all I have to do now is to change these, and then once I need to change these, I can just click the update button. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am not going to go forward with this lesson because I have lessons ahead that is only dedicated to creating pages like this. Okay, so what I wanted to let you, I'm going to click on go back to dashboard, and then I'm going to go ahead and go back to dashboard. As you can see now, this is now, I can edit this with Breezy, or I can go back to the WordPress editor, the inbuilt WordPress editor. But in that case, what we need to do now is I wanted to show you how you can work with a page builder. Again, please understand that page builders, they are free, and then number two, page builders have got a premium fee that you pay if you need to access some of their premium content, okay, or premium stuff. So go ahead and install any page builder that you want, and we are going to work with Breezy in this lesson. And let us know your findings about page builders within our community, and if you have any questions, please do let us know. With that said, see you in the next lesson. Bye.